What does the criminal justice system look like in the USA? In this first part of the lecture, we'll prepare for the other lectures by reviewing the basics of the criminal justice system. This figure shows us what it's like to move through the system, starting with committing a crime. For a number of reasons, some suspects are never arrested. Maybe because they aren't caught or found, or because there wasn't enough evidence to justify an arrest. In many cases, though, one or more suspects are arrested by law enforcement. Even after an arrest, sometimes the charges are dropped, or the suspect is transferred to juvenile court. After the arrest, a formal accusation is made in open court on the record. Sometimes the case is dismissed, and the suspect is free to go. After the formal accusation, the case will proceed to trial, or a plea bargain will be made. One outcome of the trial is a not guilty verdict. If the suspect is found guilty at trial, sentencing occurs next. If convicted, the individual may have to pay fines, tread carefully while on probation, or other alternatives. They may also have to serve time in jail or prison. Why should we care what social psychologists have found? Two main reasons. 1. A lack of knowledge. Much of what they found is not known to judges, lawyers, jury members, and laypeople. By the time you finish this lecture, you'll know more about the application of social psychology to the criminal justice system than most people. 2. Bias and error. Some of the most critical types of evidence that police gather are subject to social influences and the potential for bias and error. In the next section, we'll examine the reliability of eyewitness testimony and the ways we can improve its accuracy.